Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video, I'm going to show you if you cannot close your program normally, your close button is not working. So how can we easily close your program? I'm going to show you this method. So how can we close our program? I can show you the simplest way and easy way so you can easily close your program and make your computer more faster. So I'm going to open my pen tool from here. So normally we are going to close this like this. So sometimes it's freeze. So how can we close this? So without using this button. So I'm going to show you the exact method how you can easily close this. For this, simply click Ctrl Shift and EXE. And here you can see the process. We need to go this first one. From here, which software is not working, click on this software icon from here and simply click on Intax. If I click on Intax, then you can see I can easily close my apps from here. So guys, in this way you can easily close your software apps from your PC if it's freezy or it's hang. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more videos.